AGARO Sapphire Digital Air Fryer. Presets. 7 preset programs: fry, bake, roast, toast, reheat, grill, dehydrate. Controls. Digital touch display. Capacity, power. 4.5 L, 1400 watts. Technology. 360 degrees air circulation, convection. Standout. Best control interface, very versatile. Ideal for all-round use, roasting, frying, baking, etc. INALSA Air Fryer, 5.5L variant. Presets. 8 preset programs, varies slightly by model, usually includes fry, roast, grill, bake, reheat, etc. Controls. Digital touch panel. Capacity, power. 5.5L, tilde 1400 watts. Technology. 360 degrees rapid air technology. Standout. Biggest capacity plus many presets. Ideal for families or cooking larger portions. Pigeon Air Fryer Digital Air Fryer. Presets. Preset options: fry, bake, toast, limited number, not clearly defined. Controls. Digital touch display. Capacity, power. 4.2 L, 1200 watts. Technology. 360 degrees high-speed air circulation. Standout. Budget-friendly digital air fryer. Ideal for daily basic use with digital convenience. Kent Digi Plus Air Fryer. Presets. Basic presets: fry, grill, roast, bake. Controls. Digital display plus touch control. Capacity, power. 4.0 L, 1300 watts. Technology. Rapid heating and uniform heating. Standout. Compact and affordable. Ideal for small households, occasional use. Philips Air Fryer Na 120/00. Presets. 12 different ways of cooking presets. Works manually with temperature time dials. Controls. Manual knob, some app-based support via Home ID. Capacity, power. 4.2 L, 1500 watts. Technology. Rapid air technology. Standout. High-quality build, but lacks touch interface. Ideal for users preferring simplicity over digital features.
Product links are displayed in the description area. You may use them to buy. Thank you. Your support means a lot. Hit that subscribe button to keep getting valuable product comparisons and buying tips.